Another 22 on Rider's Range. This is the Browning Buckmark Contour. We're going to talk about the gun and the sight that's on it and do a little shooting out here in Rider's Range. Right, this Browning Buckmark Contour. Now, Browning makes about 24 models of the Buckmark. The Contour comes in a 5.5 and I think a 7.5 inch barrel. This is the 5.5. I've done a couple of changes to it. The sight on the top, let's lock this open just for safety. You know, it's empty, there's no magazine in here. The sight is the UltraDot Match Dot II. Interesting sight in that it has several different reticles. You can go, I believe it's a 2, 4, 6, and 8 MOA dot. Dot with a circle on it, as well as a dot with circle crosshairs. So a lot of options on it, 11 different intensities of brightness on it. Really handy sight, and it's not all that expensive. I believe this is about a $250 sight, give or take, and works very well on this particular gun. The Contour comes with a rail already on top of it, plus it does come with adjustable rear sight for elevation and windage, as well as a fixed front sight. Does have a manual safety as well as a slide stop lever on it. This gun also has a Tandemkross trigger, which is adjusted with no over travel, and is a sub 3-pound trigger. Very nice trigger. So we're going to try it out here at 12. I'm probably going to skip the usual 25 and go right to 50 yards with this gun and see how the Browning Buckmark Contour 22 caliber pistol works with the UltraDot Match Dot II sight here on Rider's Range. We're going to start out using Remington Thunderbolt ammunition. Put our sight on about a 4 intensity, and I'm using the dot and circle on this. We're going to see how it works here on the plates at 12 yards. I'd say it works fairly well. Oh, missed a couple on that one. We'll do that run again. Working really nice. We're going to do another run here at 12 yards with the plates. Since I didn't turn on the head cam, we're going to try it one more time. Oh, one left. There we go. Alright, now we're going to set it up for 50 yards. Browning Buckmark Contour, 5.5 inch barrel, Tandemkross trigger, UltraDot Match Dot II sight, 50 yards using the Remington Thunderbolt. I'm going to start off with the 16-inch plate, the white with the black center. 12-inch high right orange center on a white plate. Orange center, white plate below the 16. Let's go over to the 10, the white one on the left. Do that again. And again. And again. This UltraDot Match Dot II makes life easy. Let's try it with some Remington Vipers. Stick with the 10 on the left, see how that works. Well, let's try the orange 10 next to it. Almost making this too easy. I'm going to stick with the 10, with the white 10. I love, in case you can't tell, I really love this Browning Buckmark Contour. Love that UltraDot Match Dot II sight. This gun has been phenomenally reliable. It's accurate. It lets me run the plates at for me, a pretty good clip. and it certainly reaches out all day long to 50 yards. I probably ought to set up the Texas Star with the 6-inch plates and run it with that, but for right now we'll be content with the 10. So just a quick look at the Browning Buckmark Contour UltraDot Match Dot II sight and Tandemkross trigger, and a nice little gun out here on Riders Range. If you like these videos, we appreciate a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe. Click on notifications. We're trying to build the channel. The more you can help us share the videos, the more we can get a boost in the YouTube algorithm and get more noticed Riders Range. It's a growing channel. We really appreciate your support. Comments on this video down below. Comments on anything else to info@ridersrange.com. Browning Buckmark Contour on Riders Range. Hey, thanks for stopping by. That seemed a little slow. And I missed one. There's only 8 in this magazine.